tell you. They snatched away his iCard. And you know what he told them when they were lying on the floor, unconscious? He says, सवेरे अगर बच जाएगा, एक का एनकाउंटर करके आया, दूसरा तेरा कर रहे हैं. One of the accused tells me कि अभी तो हम माफी मांग रहे, बाद में हमने भी यहीं रहना है, तुमने भी और तुम्हारा एक ही बेटा. In the police station.
I'm not asking you this because I know your personality and in a way I recognize his personality. But a lot of people say, यार आपने compromise क्यों नहीं किया?
Compromise जहाँ इज्जत की बात होती है ना, ये यूनिफॉर्म को टच किया.
Ma'am, you have become for so many people the face of a warrior woman fighting for justice. It is a fight that began as a personal fight for your husband, a serving colonel of the Indian Army, and your son. But in the minds of many people, you are now a warrior woman, no less of a soldier yourself. But for many people who don't know, ki hua kya? Take us back to that day when your husband, as I said, a serving colonel in the army, and your son Angad, Colonel Pushpinder, they're out in Patiala. और एक छोटी सी बात पर, how the Punjab police responds.
It was very unfortunate that, you know, it had to happen with us. Probably at times कहते हैं ना, पाप का घड़ा भर जाता है, तो कहीं ना कहीं फूटना होता है, और वो ऐसी जगह में ही फूटता है जहाँ एक लड़ाई, you know, when you have to fight. So God gives a person who has the strength, the problem to fight. I always believe in that. So when these people, my husband came and, you know, at 12:15, around 12:15 when he reached Patiala, he made a call to me at 12:16 that, baby, I've reached. He calls me baby. So he said, I've reached at Patiala, and he took my son around Patiala to all restaurants, and everybody keeps asking why they went to Dhaba. So 12:15 के आसपास, Patiala is a small town. 12:15 के आसपास, all the hotels and restaurants are closed. So my husband doesn't eat out much because he's a very physically fit person who sleeps at 9:30.
Yeah.
6 o'clock he goes to his gym.
Yeah.
Matlab, he cannot miss his gym. Rest, everything can be missed. And we are so disciplined that after 9:30 we don't call him also because he has to get up in the morning.
Yeah.
And they came here and my son said, I'll have a Maggie. And they went to Harban's Dhaba where they ordered a plate of Maggie for my son. And my son's close friend was passing by from the other side. So he said, Dad, that my friend is going. Should I call him also? He said, call him, because that friend of him was a very close friend and he had lost his father recently. So he called him and they joined. And then when the Maggie was given from the wrong direction, there was a police vehicle which came with a blinker. And उसके पीछे एक और गाड़ी थी, Scorpio N, which was later we have come to know the number, and वो जय सिंह जो हरजिंदर ढिल्लों का अंकन मैन है उसकी है. उसके पीछे दो ढाबा owner told me my husband and my son saw 3 vehicles, for Scorpio N, the police gaadi, and Fortuner. But one of the videos which was flashed, you must have seen, the dhaba owner said that there were 4 vehicles, and which later we know there was one Endeavour also.
And these policemen were not in uniform?
They were not in uniform, but they were wearing their khaki trousers.
Achha.
And they had their guns with them.
Okay. So they were armed?
Yeah, they were armed.
ये ज़रूरी भी.
Yeah, they were armed. And civil में armed थे. And I'll exactly tell you in little short the narration, because when I talk about this, it really pinches me. Yesterday, even at the court, I started crying, because when they were playing the video, it gives me the same pain. What gave me that moment? So when they stood there, this Inspector Ronnie got out of the gaadi and he started abusing and saying he came from a wrong side, first of all. The car was parked in front of Rajendra Hospital gate, which is permanently closed. It was not even blocking the road. You could see that in the vehicles were passing on the road, and all the vehicles in the dhaba are they're standing in that corner. That door is permanently closed, and they said this guy comes out, Ronnie Singh, Inspector Ronnie Singh, from the vehicle, and he was abusing in Punjabi and said I don't want to use that abusive language. So he said,
That it was MCBC गाड़ी.
MCBC gali nikal ke, he said, just remove the vehicles. So then he followed him by Harjinder Dhillon, who came. And then he also started abusing and saying, "Gaadi nikalo and gaadi karo." They told my son gave in MCBC and then said, "Gaadi side mein kar." He said, "The keys with dad, let me get it." He walked towards that, and then these both also followed him. It was just matlab car ka is side or udhar tak he was standing, and he says, "Okay." And then they went there. And my son took the key from father. You will see it in one of the videos when he's walking towards the car door to move it little ahead.
Right.
But they were abusing. So my husband said to them that, "See, you can tell us to move the cars, but this kind of a language is not acceptable. I'm a serving colonel myself. You can't abuse like this in public." He was talking to Harjinder, and Harjinder was telling him, "What, mother, who are you? How does it matter?" And they were sloshed. They were drunk.
The policemen.
They were drunk.
Now, this is important because later they try and say that your son was drunk.
That is what. I'll get back to you on this also. Then they, Harjinder and my husband were talking, and Ronnie saying, "My son walked towards the car. He walked here, it is visible." And Ronnie went towards my husband and he punched him when he was talking to Harjinder. He punched him on his this thing, knuckle here. My husband was wearing specs. Wo specs toota aur kaanch sara toot ke. He got hurt here. And you see, this is a very sensitive area where you are punched or something. He had a fall on the bonnet, dicky, and dicky se wo niche gir gaya.
And he was lying on the street.
He was lying on the street, and these people started kicking him and punching him.
So they were kicking him while
they punched him, and then when he had fallen, so they started kicking and punching him
while he's lying on the
while laying on the floor. So
and is he conscious at that time?
No, he had a blackout. When my son was standing next to the car, he saw that my father was punched. You can see it in the video. He rushed towards his dad and he pushed these guys and he tried to pick up his dad. And then these 6-7 men, they all caught him. And he was trying to push and, safeguard that I should, be able to pick up my dad. And they did not, but they all caught hold of him. And there was, in the video, you will see there's a guy who, I'll send you another video, which was the other side of video. There's a guy who ran away towards the car and he called all the men because this Ronnie Singh said, "Sare mundiyan nu bula lo, inadnu aaj inadi afsari kar dange." And he called, and then they were hitting my husband somehow. When he saw, he became little thing. He tried to get up and he tried coming and trying to save his son. And my son was trying to go towards father, and father, poor guy, is trying to safeguard his son because these people. And my son hugged his father. And my son and husband walked towards to get away from the fight. They walked away to the bonnet of the car, where again these guys, one of the guy came and punched them again. And all of them, then all of a sudden, all about 7-8 men, they came with dandas and base bag and they started hitting. Twice these people, my husband and my son, thrice tried to, get away from the side. You will see it that nowhere. See, they are hitting, they are putting their hands to push them. And it was terrible. It was something like they're trying to kill them. Because the अहंकार जो सुबह encounter करके आए थे ना, कि हम किसी को मार के आए हैं, वो
वही लोग encounter करके आए थे.
जी, यही टीम जो थी, वो सारी encounter करके आई थी. The same team was there. जिनको सुबह 10 लाख का अवार्ड. जब जी you have been covering the army for so long, how many encounters we face every day? How many of them get 10 lakh rupees awards and promotion? We are standing a day and night at the borders. Are we given 10 lakh rupees grants for doing encounters? This and that also fake encounters, which is already in a media, that the guy who has been killed did not even have one single police record.
What was their response when your husband and your son tried to establish that this is a serving army officer, a senior army officer?
Yeah, I'll tell you, when I told you till bonnet, when they took him, they pulled my son and took him next to the Rajendra hospital's gate, which was closed, and they started hitting him with the bats and all. My husband tried to again walk up to him because he was already little unconscious, and he tried, and then they pulled him, and he pulled one of the guy, Jai Singh, he pulled him and he threw him on the floor. He pulled his hair, and then he had a patch, which patch was taken out and seen thrown on the dhaba. They hold him from the hair and then they threw the patch. Then this guy, Jai Singh, is seen. He went towards the dhaba people who were watching. They told them to switch off the light, and he started, he took his gun and he cocked his gun also there. This Jai Singh is holding a gun. And then he walked up.
So one of the policemen cocked his gun.
He cocked his gun to the public also to run away and switch off the lights. And it is visible in the video. There's a timing, which I'll give it to you, a time slot, and I'll give you the video which you can show it also. And then they were cocking the gun, and then again he went back. He pulled my husband and he threw him on the road and again cocked a gun at him, saying that, he was trying to scare him. Again, then my son somehow picked him up and put his father into the seat. And he tried to go towards the other side to drive and go back. And they again, when my son was going towards the driver's seat, they again started hitting my son. The other side, they were Harjinder Dhillon, Bhopa Rai, and these people were hitting my son with batons, and they were kicking. And they again, one of the witness has said that Bhopa Rai cocked his gun at my son, and twice he sat in the car, and they have told him to come out of the car, showing him gun that you come out. He was begging to them. He saw when he sat in the gadi, the guy Jai Singh came from the other side, and he was hitting my husband, who's unconsciously, he was not able to get up, and he was bleeding from his eyes. And you saw that video where he was punching him. With one hand he was punching, and he had a gun on the other hand. And then he put his gun behind his back. He opened the door and he pulled him out, and he threw him on the
Pulled him out of the car.
And pulled him on the road and put him on the road, and he cut his hair and t-shirt, and he started punching and kicking. And this Ronnie Singh and Shaminder standing there saying, "Sale nu maja chakha," and they were instigating him ki hor maar sala, ithe bachna nahi chahiye, encounter inna nu pata hona chahiye, encounter ki hai. This is the language they were using.
So you believe that they wanted to kill your husband?
See, the question is, this is a common thing in Punjab. When you hit the public, and if they retaliate, then they had come to know that he's an army officer, and they were drunk actually. So even when he's been telling them that I'm an army colonel, I'm serving colonel, you are just, see, when now they say that we were not knowing. One of the Ronnie accused, you must have heard the confession. He says, "Manu pata nahi si that he's an army officer," where I've told him also that he's an army officer. That means civilian can be beaten. And if it was a civilian, they would have, fired them and shown ki, okay, ye to drug bech rahe the ya gun bech rahe. That they could not have done, because he had come from a department. He's working in CAPSIC, so he came from there. So they were aware. Yeah, probably. See, it's not that they were knowing my husband or my husband was knowing them. But what happened is, when they were hitting and all, they were calling each other by name. Harry, yahan saaryan nu bula. Harjinder aaja, idhar Binny aaja. So these were names they were calling. So they know the name. So 5 of them, my husband and my son recognizes them thoroughly. 2 were in uniform, out of which one, Randhir, they said that there was a complaint by him. But in the video, the other side of video, which is still not public, I'll send it across today to you. It shows that Randhir, that the inspector, was not involved in the fight. He was standing outside. Both the people who were in uniform were standing out. They have not entered the fight, or they were standing and watching.
तो मतलब रोकने की कोशिश नहीं की उन्होंने.
कुछ भी नहीं किया जी, बैठ के देख रहे.
Now you and I have been in touch over the last many days since this happened. First, it's important to let our audience know your husband is still not recovered fully. मतलब इतनी brutality के साथ ये assault हुआ.
I'm telling you, when I saw them, from hospital, when I reached the location, they were not there. One of the guy who's a witness tried to tell them that just निकल आप लोग और पहले यहाँ से निकलो. बड़ी मुश्किल से उसने मतलब खड़ा सामने होके खड़े इनकी गाड़ी निकलवाई है. जब वो निकल रहे थे, वो भी आपने देखा होगा, they were hitting with dandas on the vehicle कि that they can't go. And if they had already taken his I card and mobile.
They had taken it, his army I card.
His army I card was taken when you saw he was hitting from the window. When there was a punching guy who was punching him, he showed his I card to him from the vehicle that I'm a serving colonel. And he snatched, that was Jai Singh. constable who was Harjinder Singh's gunman. Just think the audacity of a gunman and constable who has a Scorpio N, who's उसी की गाड़ी थी वो स्कॉर्पियो एन ग्रीन कलर की जो नई 2023 नवंबर में ली है. एंड constable of Punjab police or the SHOs are having Scorpios and Fortuners and Endeavors, which we work throughout our life and it is difficult for us to earn. So this is what Punjab police is going towards.
And how is your husband now?
My husband is last week on Sunday, he's gone back to base. He's admitted in base hospital.
So he's still getting medical treatment?
Yeah, because his hand, he's not able to, make his hand movement is not there. So he's still under treatment, wax treatment and all back.
And that is how brutal the assault was.
And then their lawyer Reg said it was a two scuffle and two people fought little bit. Do char unhone maar diti, do char. Can you've everybody, the public, the media, everybody's seen that videos. You've seen how brutally they were beating them.
Now, tell me, for an army officer or for any Fauji, your izzat, your honor is everything.
Absolutely, ji. I'll tell you, we've served under people like General Butts, General Tillon, General Garewal, Brigadier Garewal. These are people who have groomed us also. The ladies, their wives have groomed us also. And they are the one and General Saini.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, these are generals who stood upright and pride for Indian Army. Mostly all of them.
Yeah.
Their wives have been what we have been groomed. When I got married, they said, you're married to olive greens.
Yeah.
When I got married as a civilian, when I came in, I did not know anything in Army. I was taught by my senior ladies.
Yeah.
And today's the senior ladies do not have that, because what we learned, Army is also an organization where, today it is become a different organization. It is the journals which are veterans today. The way they stood for their men, today it is difficult for the new generation. They have their own restriction. It's not that I'm not saying Army is bad, but they have their own restrictions to get involved because there are a lot of formalities. Every step has to be out. That's why we are called disciplined force,
right,
because everything happens in discipline.
Right.
But we are groomed by the ladies of the Army also. We are groomed by our senior ladies. And जब हम शादी करके आते हैं ना, they say you are married to olive greens, so our blood becomes green.
Yeah.
When my husband stands in the battlefield, he doesn't turn back and sees.
Yeah.
He moves ahead.
Yeah.
So this is a battlefield where I will not move back and see. I will move forward. Goli bajegi to khane ke liye tayar.
No less of a soldier yourself?
Yes. I have to stand today. When I was not aware about the situation in Punjab, because I'm a person who goes to my office at 10, come back at 8, still work till 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
And, my in-laws are old. They're 87, 84. Because of them, I shifted 5 years back to Patiala because now they needed me to be home because my mother-in-law has a lot of medical issues. So I had to be there for them. I'm a dog lover. I have plants, about 700 plants. I spend my time with my dogs, my plant. I had a very peaceful, I've never entered. I didn't know who these inspectors were, who never got into court, never went. So whatever they did after that, I trusted everybody because we've never thought brother officers, whether green uniform or khaki uniform, they will cheat us.
Yeah.
Because we are all uniformed. So we stand united whenever. Tomorrow if there's a war which happens, is it that khaki or green uniform will not stand together? So we expected the same thing. But what Punjab government and Punjab police did with us, I feel ashamed of it. Brother officers to chhod dijiye, they're not fit to be called Indian citizen. I feel ashamed calling them being Indian citizen.
In the police station itself, there is a threat.
Absolutely.
What happened?
When we went to SSP Nanak, he tells me in his own office that only option with you is compromise. He's the law and order district in charge, who's approved for DIG, but still sitting at the SSP seat because SSP is जैसे हमारे फौज में कहते हैं ना कर्नल और ब्रिगेडियर. आप रैंक ऊपर हो जाते हो, but staff officer को तो staff officer होता है. Power becomes less. A colonel's power is more than even a staff officer who's a general. So the same way he's not been he's with the DIG approved rank, he's still been sitting because Mandeep Sidhu ji ne retire hona tha, so he was supposed to take over that. Matlab, at 14:06 p.m., my brother-in-law, Mr. Gurtej Dhillon, has sent him the videos of the incident from the dhaba. He has sent the complete report to him. 7:22, we spoke to him for 8 minutes. My husband also spoke to him. I spoke to him. He said, 12 o'clock, you come. This is 14th. And he gives an affidavit at the court that I came to. They have informed me about the incident only on 15th, where then we had to give an affidavit in the court with my phone was shown in the court, where and then he had, sent an affidavit of apology to the court. It was so manipulated, Barkha ji, that, they made me, when my husband and my son were, hurt, the boy who called me up and I rushed, that time there was no time. Within 1 minute, I left the house. I didn't even change.
Do you remember how you were feeling?
I was not aware what has happened. Because when I went there,
were you angry? Were you?
I was not
scared?
angry. I was scared
Worried?
that I was actually not angry. I was scared, but I didn't know what has happened. Because by the time I came to know what has happened, but when I saw them, I just broke down. Because I have never seen my husband in that condition or my son. My husband has never even touched my son. And, my husband is one person who has never even raised his volume at me. In 25 years of my marriage, he has never even said a word to me. And he's a very physically fit person, and the whole Patiala or his friends would vouch he doesn't like to drink. And the person who's a cosmetic, drinker, he doesn't have to. And he's a DIG, as equivalent.
Ye zaruri baat hai, because they initially tried to say that they tried to blame your son and your husband.
See, the same dhaba wala told me कि साहब ने तो एक प्लेट मैगी की मंगाई थी, और जो इंसिडेंट हुआ उसके बाद जब मैं पहुंची थी, मैंने फोटो खींची, मैगी की प्लेट गिरी पड़ी है, तो बॉटल अगर देखिए, if they were drinking, these people, 4 SHOs were not in charge of that area. Ronnie Singh said कि he came because he had the information of drug peddler, so that's why he came in civil dress. बट सिविल ड्रेस में आया है, गाड़ी का हूटर बजाते हुए आया है ड्रग पेडलर को पकड़ने के लिए. एंड समाना, दिस इज हरबंस ढाबा, समाना से आया होता तो इस साइड से आता. व्हाट वाज ही डूइंग कमिंग फ्रॉम अ रॉन्ग साइड? सेकेंडली, दे डू नॉट बिलोंग टू दैट एरिया. ऑल व्हीकल्स आर पार्क्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द ढाबास. Who are they to, arrange the park? If there was a wrong parking or if they were drinking, they should have taken a photograph, picked them up and taken them to the police station.
Exactly.
Tell me 12 men could not take these 2 guys?
Bilkul. Now, the other interesting thing is these men actually confess to you. They call, some of them.
All 4 of them.
All four of them. They call you and they then say, sorry ji.
No, they said we did not know he's an army officer and jo hua ho gaya. One of the SHOs spoke to me that, that they were trying, actually what happened is they kept on telling the SSP ki we are compromised ho jayega, so don't do a FIR, don't. When the army got involved on 15, when they said ki FIR क्यों नहीं हुई, तो इन्होंने क्या किया? You must have read the statement of ASI. He says he went to the dhaba, he took the statement, and on his statement he did the FIR. Wherein we have reported the matter at 12:48 to the control room, to SHO 1 o'clock at night. My husband's statement was ready at 11:14, where I have clicked a photograph. They were not letting me click the photograph of the statement which my husband gave at Rajendra Hospital. We clicked the photograph. It was just that I clicked the photograph that what statement has been taken. And 11:14, the statement was ready. And they said ki we took the statement at 1:30. Again a lie. DSP Satnam came to the hospital and he kept on convincing me कि प्लीज आप कॉम्प्रोमाइज करो, कॉम्प्रोमाइज इज ऑप्शन. इनको मैं थप्पड़ मार देता हूँ, मैं इनको ढाबे के पास ले जाके मारूंगा, आप इनको थप्पड़ मार लो, सर मार ले, मगर इनको माफ कर दो. आई टोल्ड हिम दैट टाइम, आई सेड डू FIR, वी विल सी इट लेटर, बट दे नीड टू बी अरेस्टेड फर्स्ट, because it's not that they're wearing uniform so they can be doing गुंडागर्दी. And these people were wearing all same clothes. जो शाम को 7 बजे मनदीप सिद्धू ने एक फोटो रिलीज करी थी जिसमें he gave a statement that Punjab police officer, they've done pride to us and these 4 SHOs are going to be given promotion and 10 lakh rupees of account.
Yeah.
So this is what the same uniform was worn.
a lot of people may ask you, I'm not asking you this because I know your personality and in a way I recognize his personality, but a lot of people say, यार आपने compromise क्यों नहीं किया? लोग पूछते होंगे ना आपसे.
जी कॉम्प्रोमाइज जहाँ इज्जत की बात होती है ना, ये यूनिफॉर्म को टच किया. दूसरी बात, दिस इज ब्रूटल एक्ट. व्हेन व्हाट आई टेल यू, अगर इनिशियली एफआईआर करके इनको सजा दी होती, बट द वे पुलिस एक्टेड, the way they treated the matter, the way they tried to, threaten us. And when I went to the police station, probably if they would have done a FIR and, we would have felt that they are guilty about their act. When these guys, at 15th morning, I was told to come to the police station, ki FIR honi hai. I was sitting there and DSP Satnam tried his best. And, in the morning when I went, 15th morning when I went to Rajendra Hospital, I took breakfast for my son and husband. And Mr. Dhillon reached there because we had to reach on the police station at 10 because they said 10 बजे सुबह रात को. मैंने आपको बताया था, रात भर मुझे इन्होंने पुलिस स्टेशन में भगाया, बिठाया. उसके बाद सुबह इन्होंने बोला 10 बजे FIR हो जाएगी, तो वही sat in the police station. So जाने के लिए जब मैं अंदर से बाहर आई तो शमिंदर was standing there. He was calling Mr. Dhillon that मेरे को मिल लो, I'm outside hospital, which message is also there with us. And we've given it to the court. And we came out 10 o'clock and met him. When I was talking to him, my son saw it from a distance that I'm talking to him. But me and Dhillon ji, वहीं से हम police station के लिए निकल गए. Shaminder sitting at the police station was also he tried his level best कि compromise कर लो sir, मतलब बस छोड़ दो, नहीं तो मेरी जान, मतलब. But we were not aware. In fact, one of the where he was trying to compromise, DSP Satnam happened to say कि छुड़ाने की जब ज्यादा हो गई थी तो कुछ ने छुड़ाने की भी कोशिश. ऐसे कौन था छुड़ाने की कोशिश कर रही थी, तो फिर उनको उठा के हॉस्पिटल क्यों नहीं लेके गए? यू आर गिल्टी. इतना तुमने मारा, अगर तुम्हें पता लग गया, तुमने आई कार्ड ले लिया. जो DSP सतनाम ने आई कार्ड मेरे ब्रदर इन लॉ को नेक्स्ट डे 11 बजे 11:30 बजे वापस किया हॉस्पिटल में. जब तुम्हें पता लग गया था, उसके बाद भी क्यों नहीं गए?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
And then when we went to the police station, DSP Satnam tried his best कि हो जाए. मेरे पीछे लाके इनको 3 को खड़ा कर दिया और शमिंदर यहाँ बैठा था. तब तक मुझे ये पता नहीं था कि शमिंदर was involved, right? And he was trying to get the compromise done because he realized कि we don't recognize him. क्योंकि तब तक तो अभी एक ही दिन हुआ था, मैंने वीडियो सारी ले ली थी, देखी थी, बट उसके बाद हम उस गो थ्रू का टाइम भी नहीं मिला क्योंकि वी वर रनिंग फ्रॉम पिलर टू पोस्ट बिकॉज मेरे हस्बैंड की ट्रीटमेंट ही बहुत ही, दैट इज ऑल्सो अनदर स्टोरी विच यू मस्ट नो अबाउट इट, व्हाट दे डिड विद दैट, आई विल टेल यू लेटर ऑन दैट. एंड व्हेन वी वेंट टू हॉस्पिटल, ये तीनों को बुला के बोला जी मैडम ने पैर छू लो, ये बस माफी हो जाएगी, ताले हुन तुसी आज तो बात कुछ नहीं करना, तुसी जाके सर को लो भी माफी. I told DSP Satnam, just send these boys. मैंने कहा आपने मेरे बच्चे और मेरे हस्बैंड के हथियारे लाके मेरे सामने खड़े कर दिया, and you're, what are you expecting out of me? I said, you don't want to do FIR on people who are killers?
Yeah.
I said, just get them out, otherwise. मैंने जैसे फोन उठाया तो they started going out. तो इन्होंने मेरा फोन वापस रखा था. ये जब वो था होपर आए, कहता है जी तुसी भी पटियाले रहना, असी भी पटियाले रहना, आज ਅਸੀਂ ਮਾਫੀ ਮੰਗ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਕੱਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਵਾਬਦਾਰ ਹੋਗੇ. ਉਤਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਹਰਜਿੰਦਰ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਕ੍ਰਾਸ ਪਰਚਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਾ, ਅਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਾਫੀ ਮੰਗਣ ਆਓਗੇ.
So
open threat in front of DSP Satnam, SHO Shaminder standing there. Then I picked up my phone to make, they were going out, that they were all 12 boys were there in the police station to threat us. I made a video. There's a video when I'm making a photograph, you'll see it, there a hand comes of police wala. He took my phone. I told him, you can't touch me.
Yeah.
I said, you're touching me. The lady, you can't touch my phone. And I said, I will not spare it. Then DSP Satnam said, de do, jaldi se. So he gave it. I made a video. I rushed out and they were running and I made a video of them running around. And I have that video with me. And even when he had put his hand on my camera, that camera came. That video is also there with me. And I immediately sent that videos to my sister, Mr. Dhillon's this thing, that anything happens to us, just flash it out. And I said, please, Chilla Saab, now there's no point being here because they're not wanting to do any FIR. Let's call the media and give them.
Yeah.
At 1 o'clock, we called the media. We went to hospital. I cried to my husband. I said, 2 days I trusted a brother officer, and you know my husband also said, Nanak, he's a very sweet, जिसको बोलते हैं ना melody kind of a person. He's that kind, talks too sweet and acts too smart. We are simple people जी, हमारे को ये गेम चलाकियाँ आती नहीं. We are straightforward, जो गलत है, सही है. And this fellow really had my happiness. Nanak को मैंने फोन किया 12 बजे बाबा. I said Nanak ji, this is what I said. Your men are coming to the police station and threatening me. Then I wrote a letter and I gave it. He said मेरे को WhatsApp कर दो. मेल एप्लीकेशन उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट नहीं करी थी, मैंने फिर WhatsApp में डाल दी. He probably didn't realize कि एक दिन पहले जो ढिल्लो साहब ने भेजी थी, because he saw only the message which was sent by me on 15th, but 15th की ही morning 9:48 मैंने उनको videos वापस भेजी थी, which he wrote कि मेरे को 12 बजे message मिला है, not realizing the same story, everything, every photo and his talk video was there with us when Dhiloji had sent it on 14th.
Yeah, you said your husband, there was a problem getting him medical treatment.
Yeah, now I'll tell you, in the morning, these people, ASI came, they tried to delay the treatment. His treatment started almost 6 o'clock का डे, मतलब रात को 1:15 बजे के बाद उनका प्लास्टर सुबह, आप सोचो पूरी रात वो वेट करते रहे. कभी हमारे को वहां से बोला वॉक करके जाओ. He was not in a condition where Telosa was holding him and my boy was holding him from one hand, taking him for x-rays, for CT scan. 6:30 जाके x-ray और CT scan हुए. 7 बजे what they did was, without any anesthesia, उनकी elbow निकल गई थी बाहर. Without anesthesia, they pulled him and 3-4 people catching him and elbow अंदर करके cast लगा.
And the police was delaying him getting treatment?
I don't know, I can't say that, but yes, that's a feeling.
Because it was a medical legal case maybe, and
because they're police officers, you know, they felt that we should be harassed, that we compromise. His cast was put, and you know, you'll not believe, when we shifted him to the room in the evening, 14th evening, when SSP Nanak called us, when he did not, we had called the media on 14th evening only, 6 o'clock. 5:52 he calls up my brother-in-law, say we have to discuss the FIR thing, you come. Because he came to know we have called the media, and we told media not required. I felt so happy that, you know, it's not that he's wrong. I again went with a hope to him.
Yeah.
He made us wait for 40 minutes because that we don't go back to media. Then he sent us to the police station. वहाँ हमें 1.5 घंटा बिठाया. फिर बोला दूसरे police station से, बोला हमें ना अभी latest medical report चाहिए. Now here is where I feel there's some jiggery which they have done to show that कि चोट कम है, कहते हैं ना, grievance कम है. So what happened is, in the morning they've already, you know, pushed the elbow and then put a cast.
Yeah.
7:30 they told us कि we need a present medical report by a medical officer.
Yeah. They were basically trying to delay the whole.
They said morning wali report is not acceptable because they knew that usme, you know, report was not, it was grievance because the elbow was out. Now when they again took a x-ray, and they told the report, then the elbow तो push कर चुके थे जो बाहर था. So you see, when they have put it and 7 hours cast लगा दिया, उसके बाद then you take a x-ray तो elbow तो push कर दिया बाहर. So he was in so much of pain because without anesthesia pull करके आप सोचो हड्डी को खींच के हड्डी डाल दिया, कितना पेन होगा.
अच्छा, आपने कहा that you were ashamed of how the Punjab government, Punjab police की तो हमने बात की, Punjab government.
Punjab police ने तो, I was in my nightwear. When I went to SSP's office, I told him, I'm sorry, I've come dressed up like this, but I did not get time to go home and change. This is an army officer because we respect ourselves. This is first thing which I told him. And he did not even have that regard. And he kept on sending me from one police station to another.
In your nightwear?
In my nightwear. And he did not realize that any shopkeeper who comes and give them hafta, they are sitting in their office and their statements are written in their houses.
So that's the police. How did the government support you? Did the chief minister? For a long time he said nothing.
He never said nothing. Till date he has not said anything.
Publicly to kuch nahi bole.
Ji, we kept on. On 15th itself, Ajit Pal Kohli is his person, MLA from Patiala. We had gone to Circuit House. We showed him all the evidence. Everything was shown to him. He said, Monday, I'm taking an appointment for you and we will meet on Monday. after that, I called him up कि Monday क्या हो. He never picked up the call. He had gone on a holiday. He said, I will come back and speak to you. But no call came. I tried calling up 3-4 times, but he never reverted. We kept on trying to approach him through his OSD. We called him up. Nobody answered. Nobody spoke. When 22nd, the dharna was put. 23rd also, when the Sabka committee did not agree to pick up the dharna. So then Bhagwan Man gave us time first on 8th. Then we said no, 4th. Then 31st, बहुत मुश्किल से उन्होंने हमें time दिया. I went there to meet him. This FIR also actually happened is just because of governor.
Right. The governor had to intervene for the FIR.
Governor in front of us called up DGP and said, does the officer after 8 days does not have a right to have a FIR? Secondly, who is this Dhabawala that you go and take a statement? Dhabawala did not go to the police station. They went to his dhaba to take a statement.
That's right.
And his statement, he has done a FIR. The person who's sitting in the hospital who has informed the incident, FIR is not done. Then we went to Bhagwan Man. When I met him, I felt, he was a genuine person. The way he was sitting and talking about his own Punjab police, ki this is a corrupted, we are trying to make them okay, but this is what Punjab is facing because of them. And I assure you that this Kale Bhir, some word he used, that we will throw them out and it's एक जो मछली है वो खराब करती है, हम ये सारी मछलियां निकालनी है, ऐसी बहुत मछलियां निकलेंगी इस वजह से. And we are happy that you have raked up the issue. And I have a lot of regards and respect for Fauji, and I respect you, and as a lady I respect you's voice, and we are supporting you. We are Aam Aadmi. And I told him sitting there, I said, Man Sahab, it is this chair which you are sitting, वो तो कभी आती जाती रहती है. You don't talk, chair आज आपकी है, कल किसी की और की होगी. People will remember you only with your deeds.
Right.
Not with the chair. So I said, so deeds have to be right. I said, 20 days, you people did not even feel that once you should have called me and checked from me.
He never reached out to you.
Nobody. And I said, he said, no, actually वो session चल रहा था ये. Then I told him this also. I said, आपका session चल रहा था. कल आपकी बेटी का birthday था. आप पूरा दिन छुट्टी लेके आप डांस कर रहे थे गानों में.
You said it to him?
I told him there in front of 13 people. I said, you were dancing and celebrating your daughter's birthday, not realizing Punjab की कोई बेटी रो रही है, कोई माँ रो रही है, कोई किसी की wife रो रही है. I said, your heart said that you can dance on the floors for your birthday celebration. I said, यहाँ बाकी पंजाब की बेटियां जो रो रही हैं उनके लिए आपके पास time नहीं था. So he said, I'm sorry, he said. And he says, no, justice will be. I said, I'm not speaking as a mother of or a wife of Colonel P.S. Bhatt. I'm speaking as a daughter of Punjab. And I need justice. Not for me, for every woman of Punjab.
What did he say?
He says, you are not only Punjab, you are my daughter also. And you will be given justice. He immediately told his OSD, give the number and 6 बजे आपको good news मिलेगी. Your आपकी कोई भी मांग वो नहीं है. SSP has done mistake and we apologize. It will be taken in account. And he told them to call for a meeting at 5 o'clock. कि DGP को बुला लेना, homeless को बुला लेना, फलान को बुला लेना. Message pass किया. He walked up till my car to drop me, and then he puts his hand on my head. And he says, आप पंजाब की नहीं, मेरी भी बेटी हो, आपको justice मिलेगा. In front of 15 people, he said this.
Then?
When I came out, I was so happy that, I again thought कि शायद मैं गलत सोच रही थी. He was busy with work. He's a CM of Punjab. He has so many things to do, but probably he had that. And I asked him, are you aware of the thing? He says, I'm aware of everything. So I said, you want to tweet on every smallest post, but this was not important to you? He said, no, we were trying to figure out how to work on this. I still trusted him, and I came out and I said, I salute him that he told me that you're not only daughter of Punjab, but you're my daughter and you will be given justice. 5:30 onwards, I started calling the OSD. He didn't pick up. I sent him a message. He didn't pick up. 8 o'clock, I sent him a message. He didn't pick up. Nothing, no call. Message. I told him, at least revert. There's a courtesy demands that when I'm calling you, revert back. I've written all this message. I showed it in media also. He never reverted, never called, nothing.
So they went silent till date. So they meet you.
But
they promise you justice, but chup hai.
Nothing. Next day we got a message that they are saying SSP की transfer कर देंगे और suspend भी हो गए, उनको dismiss भी, उनको punishment भी दे देंगे, but आप CBI की inquiry वापस ले लीजिए. That is our condition.
So they were trying to get you to compromise.
कि CBI inquiry वापस ले.
So this CBI inquiry is you have petitioned the court.
Yeah.
कि इसमें CBI inquiry होनी चाहिए.
Because see, when you must have seen Justice Mudgil was very strict judge who was asking every nick and corner of the case.
Yeah.
And he's asked Punjab police to answer every question where there was lack of their, you know, their अपना self-interest को बचाते हुए जो whatever
Yeah.
they did. So he questioned them, and so, you know, they were worried that ये CBI mark ना हो जाए. Because why CBI? Just think how the system works in Punjab. They suspended 12 officers, 12 force SHOs and this thing, and they never took the name. Just think, 4 SHOs have so much of power that SSP or DIG and DG also took that we have suspended 12. They can say Colonel P.S. Bhatt's case when they can name a colonel completely on the media.
Yeah.
But they can't take their 4 SHOs' name. You can understand what fear these 4 SHOs have on their
So I want to understand this properly. The Chief Minister meets you. You say कि आपने अभी तक कुछ नहीं बोला publicly. आप अपनी बेटी की birthday celebrations पे नाच रहे थे. He says sorry. He promises you justice. He walks you to your car. And after that, they go silent except for a informal compromise formula कि हम SSP को transfer कर लेंगे, आप अपना case CBI की demand वापस ले लो.
See, absolutely there. My brother-in-law was also approached by one of the media person of Kejriwal that this is what we have been told. And we clearly said there and then, you don't want to transfer SSP? उसको खुद ही शर्म आके he should get himself posted out, because what he's done with public, it's not only my case.
Yeah.
There's so many cases going on in the court. He's been summoned a few days back by human rights also.
What is the status today? The SIT has been...
SIT has been formed. At
Yeah.
least we are happy. It is out of Punjab police.
Correct.
Punjab cadre.
The investigation is no longer with the Punjab.
Yeah, there's nothing involved with them. And we hope for justice there also. As High Court, we had in our petition ki independent investing agency / CBI. So they've given us one step. And second is the petition which of Ronnie, we had a discussion, argument of 2.5 hours, where the opposite lawyer says कि इतना नहीं मारा, थोड़ी बहुत मार हाथ तो पाई, उनको पता नहीं था पुलिस और आर्मी की यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं थे दोनों. जी, my husband is at a duty where he doesn't have to wear, he's on deputation, he doesn't wear. Question is not that army or anything. Can you hit any public servant or even public?
Yeah.
In such a brutal way?
Absolutely. I want to end, ma'am, by asking you what gives you this courage. You have taken on not one person, not one police officer, not one SSP. You have taken on a system.
Absolutely. See, everybody calls me my family. They tell me, you know, this is Punjab. You know, you're against the system. Today, actually, it is not police.
It's one
versus
human versus
army.
the system.
Yeah, it is not police versus army or army versus police. It is me versus the system, which is Punjab government and Punjab police.
That's right.
Where the encounter which happened in the morning was a fake encounter. I am wanting a CBI inquiry. On that also, I will request the Home Ministry, everybody, that there should be an inquiry done. Governor Saab ko bhi. Kyun? Because every day there's a killing in Punjab. Every day. This encounter, why it happens कि पंजाब पुलिस के बंदों को पैरों में गोली लगती है, और जो गोली जिसको लगी है, that also should be investigated, because he was not a, इनका कुछ होता है जो permanent cadre होते हैं और कुछ permanent नहीं होते. So permanent होते हैं तो they get the promotion or something. So this was the person who has got bullet in the leg, who was supposed to be, उसको permanent करना था.
जी.
He is one of the gunmen of one of these SHOs. So this kind of a game playing and killing every youth of Punjab, that is why what is happening in Punjab, none of the youth, why there's no development happening. Because the youth who have the idea to develop, it's the young generation who will develop our country. They're all wanting to go out.
Yeah.
My son said, I told him I will fight this battle that I keep you here with me.
Yeah.
Because he told me that day, he said, Mom, send me out. I don't want to stay here where my father is being beaten. I can't do anything.
Yeah. And this is how people leave.
Yeah, that this is... The people, 100 of people, they've called me from US and Canada. They've sent me photographs and videos of Harjinder Dhillon, Bopa Rai and Ronnie beating them. And
Really?
And compromising with them. एंड बाहर चले गए क्योंकि तुम एनआरआई हो, नहीं तो हम यहाँ कंप्लेन कर देंगे तुम्हारा वहां से सिक्योरिटी नंबर जब्त.
You don't feel scared?
I don't. I lost my dad. My biggest fear used to be only one thing in my life is my dad. I am my dad's baby.
Yeah.
His name was Prem Singh. We used to call him Love Singh.
Yeah.
I'm proud to be his daughter. And, you know, this is what he told me. You know, there's one language, a word which I'll use, which is going to be bad. My dad used to say, बच्चे पैसे ते कोई भी कमा लेंदा, but नाम और इज्जत कमाने, गलत दा साथ देना नहीं, गलत आपा करना नहीं.
Yeah.
And I follow that. And when it comes to family, it's not family only my family. Punjab, I am a Punjabi by heart, by blood. I'm a green blood by solidarity is inside me. My husband stands in the border and fight. He doesn't turn back.
Yeah.
This is a fight whether against the system, against Punjab police, Punjab Sarkar. I will fight a brave battle and I will win and come back.
I am sure you will win, and we stand firmly with you in this battle.
Thank you so much, Barkha.
Thank you. Always with you.
You've been a role model for me, Barkha. I used to feel that, you know, there are women who can voice like this. And I never knew that at this stage I'll meet you and, you know, I'll become a voice like you one day.
It is an honor.
Stand for Punjab.
It is an honor. And I'll stand firmly in your corner with the Forge.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. God bless. Thank you.